Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato mozzarella salad. This classic dish is incredibly simple yet bursting with flavor, perfect for any occasion. You will need just a few key ingredients to start. We'll focus on selecting the freshest produce and high-quality cheese to ensure the best taste. Get ready to create a vibrant and delicious salad that everyone will love. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for assembly. For larger tomatoes, slice them into uniform 1/4-inch thick rounds or simply have cherry tomatoes. Next, drain your fresh mozzarella and slice it into pieces roughly the same size as your tomatoes. Remember to gently wash and pat dry about 1/2 cup of fresh basil leaves. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to assemble this beautiful salad. Begin by artfully arranging the tomato and mozzarella slices on your serving platter, alternating them for a visually appealing presentation. Then, tuck fresh basil leaves between the slices. Drizzle generously with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of high-quality extra virgin olive oil, followed by 1 to 2 tablespoons of balsamic glaze. To finish, season your salad with a pinch of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These simple seasonings truly enhance the natural flavors. For the best experience, allow the salad to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. This lets the flavors meld beautifully. Serve this refreshing dish immediately as a delightful appetizer or a light side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.